Hello there everyone, welcome to ESL Powerhouse. In today's lesson we are going to study regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs form their past tense and past participle by adding either D or ED to the base form. For example, watch, watched, watched, invite, invited, invited. Here's a question. When do we add D and when do we add ED to form the past and past participle of regular verbs? The answer is we add D to form the past tense and past participle of regular verbs if the verb already ends in E. For example, bake, baked, baked, close, closed, closed, save, saved, saved. We add ed to form the past tense and past participle of regular verbs when the base form of the verb does not end in E. For example, watch, watched, watched, reject, rejected, rejected, want, wanted, wanted. Irregular verbs are verbs that change their form in the past tense and past participle without following standard ed endings. For example, speak, spoke, spoken, write, wrote, written. Here is a list of irregular verbs: become, became, become, break, broke, broken, buy, bought, bought, come, came, come, forget, forgot, forgotten, drive, drove, driven, know, knew, known, bring, brought, brought, eat, ate, eaten, do, did, done, see, saw, seen, make, made, made, pay, paid, paid, meet, met, met, read, 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 send, sent, sent. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.